Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best stove cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a spotless kitchen. Glass top stoves are known for their sleek appearance, but they can quickly accumulate grime and stains. This video will dive into the best cleaning kits available, helping you find the perfect one to keep your stove looking brand new. We'll explore what makes a great kit and how it can simplify your cleaning routine. Number 5. Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaner Combo Kit. Tired of stubborn stains on your cooktop? This kit is designed to remove grease, grime, and tough stains. It works on all smooth cooktop surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. Whether you have a glass, ceramic, or induction cooktop, this cleaner is safe and effective. It won't scratch the surface, ensuring your cooktop stays in top condition. Simply apply a small amount of the cleaner, rub with the included pad, and wipe clean. For burnt-on food, use the scraper tool. It's that easy to maintain a clean cooktop. This cleaner is recommended for use on cooktops from GE, Whirlpool, and many other brands. It's a trusted solution for your kitchen cleaning needs. The kit includes everything you need: the cleaner, a pad tool, a scraper, and a cleaning pad. This comprehensive kit ensures you have all the tools for a spotless cooktop. This cleaner is made in the USA and contains no phosphates, dimethicone, or silicone. You can trust this product to deliver exceptional cleaning results. What we like? This kit is a complete solution, including a cleaner, pad, and scraper, making it easy to tackle any mess. It's perfect if you're looking for a one-stop shop for all your cooktop cleaning needs. If you have a variety of stains and need a comprehensive cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. It removes almost everything burned and stuck to the surface with the help of a little pad that came with. Easy to use. The additional tools are easy to use and work miracles on stubborn stains and messes. Number 4. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Tired of grease and grime? This daily cleaner spray is your simple solution. It protects your stovetop and keeps your kitchen sparkling. Dealing with stubborn, burnt-on food? This cream is specially formulated for those tough cleanups. It will make your cooktop look brand new. Worried about scratches? Don't be. The non-scratch and non-abrasive formulas will make your appliances shine. It will not damage your cooktop surfaces. Use it on stovetops, microwave ovens, and more. It's safe for glass, stainless steel, and various other surfaces. This product is versatile. Say goodbye to streaks and residue. This cleaner is specifically formulated for cooktop surfaces. It will produce beautiful, streak-free results. The kit includes a heavy-duty glass cooktop cream and a daily cooktop cleaning spray. Get everything you need for a sparkling clean kitchen with this kit. What we like? This product offers a daily cleaning spray, perfect for quick cleanups and maintaining a sparkling kitchen. It's ideal if you want to keep your cooktop clean with minimal effort. If you are looking for an easy way to keep your cooktop clean on a daily basis, you should consider this. What people say. The cream cleaner works really well on any spillage, and the spray cleaner is great for daily use to keep your stove bright and shiny. I use that spray daily. It saves me from having to deal with the squeeze bottle and the cleaning with a sponge. All I do is spray and wipe clean with a cloth. I use the spray first, then the polish paste with the scrub pad I got with another purchase of their products. I only took 2 times with a little scrapping which they supplied also, and the stove top looked like new. Number 3. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner and Polish, 20 ounce. Tired of stubborn stains on your cooktop? This cleaner easily removes baked-on grease, grime, and food splatters. It's designed to make your cleaning routine much easier. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine with this product. It dramatically cleans, shines, and protects your glass or ceramic smooth top range in just one step. The result is a sparkling surface. This cleaner is suitable for use on all major glass, ceramic, and induction cooktop manufacturers. Whether you have a GE, Whirlpool, or other brand, it's designed to work effectively. The gentle formula won't damage your cooktop surface. It's powerful enough to clean tough stains but safe for your appliance. This ensures your cooktop stays in great condition. This product is proudly manufactured in the United States of America. You can trust the quality and effectiveness of this cleaner. It's a reliable choice for your kitchen. What we like. This cleaner not only removes grime but also shines and protects your cooktop. It's great if you like a product that leaves your cooktop looking brand new. If you like a product that leaves your cooktop looking shiny and protected, you should consider this. What people say. Great product. Works perfect on glass, ceramic. Cleans. Shines. Safe, no scratch. This has been the only product that thoroughly cleans our cooktop surface. Weiman cleaner, keep the stove top looking like new, very easy to use as well. Number 2. TriNova cooktop cleaner and scrubbing pads. Accidents happen, especially in the kitchen. But with this cleaner, removing burnt-on grease is no longer a chore. It makes cleaning up spills a breeze. This product is designed to polish your stovetop without causing scratches. The heavy-duty formula rejuvenates the look of your stove, bringing out a brilliant shine. The application is simple. Just wipe away any spills, apply a small amount of the cleaner, scrub with the included pad, and buff with a dry towel. It's that easy to get a sparkling clean surface. To simplify your cleaning process, a scrubbing pad is included. This ensures that cleaning your stovetop is no longer a difficult task. It makes the whole process much easier. We are committed to customer satisfaction. If you're not happy with your purchase, contact our support team. They will do everything they can to make things right for you. What we like. This cleaner is designed to eliminate burnt-on grease without scratching your cooktop. It includes a scrubbing pad for easy application. If you have a lot of stubborn, burnt-on messes, you should consider this. What people say. It comes with cleaning pads and a large bottle of the stuff that you need. A few dime-sized drops around the burner, and using their pad to scrub it, I got the stove 100% clean. This cleaner is absolutely great. It spreads easily, dries in less than a minute, wipes off with a paper towel, and buffs to a like new appearance with a microfiber cloth. Number 1. Therapy Glass Cooktop Cleaner Bundle. This exclusive bundle includes a powerful cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Together, they ensure your cooktop looks pristine with every clean. It's the perfect solution for a sparkling kitchen. The cleaner is specifically designed to target and loosen burnt-on stains. It provides an easy and effective solution for all your kitchen needs. This makes cleaning simple and efficient. The formula deeply penetrates burnt deposits, swiftly dissolving grease and grime. It saves you time and effort with minimal wiping required. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. The acid-free formula ensures that your stovetop surface is not scratched. It leaves the surface polished to a shine, making it look as good as new. It protects and beautifies. Simply use a dry towel to remove any excess cream and buff it dry. This achieves a brilliant shine without the need for water. It's convenient and easy to use. What we like. This bundle includes a cleaner and a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. It's fast-acting and won't scratch your cooktop. If you are looking for a quick and effective cleaning solution that leaves your cooktop polished, you should consider this. What people say. My stove tends to get pretty messy, and this stuff actually works. I was especially relieved that it came with a razor tool. It made it so much easier to get that burnt-on food off without scratching the glass. I needed very little product, basically no elbow grease, to scrub my cooktop, and it cleaned right up without any greasy film left behind. My stovetop looks brand new again. This product removed all the buildup and it looks brand new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.